Hey guys, it is January 20th, 2026. I'm going to be doing my market analysis before going into market open. This is more of a log for me, but it can also be slightly beneficial for you as well. So overnight we created this huge New York opening gap. On the daily time frame, we're pretty bearish just based off this candle, but that's not really gonna do much for me. We did wick or sweep out this data, our daily low. Um, We are in a good place to begin making a reversal. We just entered. Oh no, we haven't entered this. Um, on ES, we entered on -4 hours, so we possibly like this could have been our target, and then now we would be switching our model to more of a buy side or market maker buy model. Sorry. I'm missing my indicators. On the hourly, comments that were just bearish. In terms of draws though, see that's actually not bad draw. We have London low. We could be looking to either rebalance this hourly range right here and then pushing lower, and then our draw would be London lows. Or if we would like to push higher, which we are already inversing a lot of these gaps, we can perhaps trade into this discounted 15-minute in order to push us higher towards stronger draws like London highs, which we did just edge on ES, uh, Asia highs, and we also have this humongous New York opening gap that is a really strong draw on liquidity. So I'm kind of leaning both just because I do want to see this New York opening gap get filled in. Um, but it's around like 250 points away. So the likeliness of us like making a move like that, um, maybe not in like the AM session is unlikely, maybe like later on in like the lunch session. But I don't really trade lunch session, so I'm gonna see what the market gives me. We also do have this 15-minute SMT that I do want to mark out. Ideally, if 10 a.m. Decides to close above these gaps and then we make some sort of reversal, something like uh something like this back into like a 15-minute gap and then pushing us higher towards New York opening gap, that would be a really good setup. But that's just me talking on my ass. Okay, I'll probably record either after I take a trade, or if I don't take a trade, I'll talk about what I missed, or maybe market conditions just weren't it today. I didn't check if there's news. I'm going to check that right now after this recording. But I'll catch you guys in the next clip. What is up? Wait, let me make sure it's recording. What is up, my people? Um, we are looking at this last setup right here, but I thought I might as well just record my aftermath. Maybe we get a live trade, perhaps. We'd have to wait for this foreman to inverse. That is a crazy amount of risk. We'll consider it if it happens in about 4 minutes. But executions, I think there is an execution right here. To be honest, I fucked up. I accidentally clicked, where is it? Right here. I accidentally clicked buy or sell. This is like literally no fucking trading knowledge at all. I already clicked it. I wanted to see if, um, what's it called? Because last time I over risked and it caused a big psychology geek out. So then I wanted to see if the micros were working, I guess, and I decided to fucking click buy on accidental, and that was a hefty fucking loss for me. I mean, not really hefty. I lost $200, but on this funded account, we were already down a big amount since the last trade because I lost one band in one trade. Um, But that kind of fucked me up psychologically going into market open. This was literally 5 minutes inside market open. I was actually looking at this 2 minute short, but we closed here, and at the time, um, yes, already swept out all my low resistance liquidity right here. And then I was looking for longs. Uh, this one right here, I did not take. Um, Honestly, the only reason I can really give for not taking this one is because just sure expect five discounted gap. I do not want this five to close. We might, because if this closes, I would have to take an entry at 11. Um, it looks like we might not get this set up, unfortunately. Be like right here, right here. We have to wait for the 5 minutes closure right now. It's kind of annoying. It doesn't actually look like we're gonna get that long setup, but it is like low-key looking juicy. We have Asia highs above, and obviously New York opening gap, and it just looks like we're respecting bull shorter flow. Regardless, yeah, I faded this setup because the closure is weird to me. And then one of the people I watch, Bionic, took a 15-second inversion. Bro, I don't even have the 30-second enabled because I'm fucking broke. But yeah, he took the 15-second out of this one, which I guess probably had better structure to it. I don't really fucking know. Um, Other than that, in terms of entries, I think this one was the only valid for me. There was this one that I thought was like decent. I liked it. I liked the narrative behind it, but it was just a bad closure. And then other than that, I don't really think there was another setup. There was this one. I don't remember why I didn't take it. I think if you did take this, you'd have to go break even pretty early because there was like a SMT on this internal high. Other than that, it's pretty much my summary of the day. Um, it's looking quite unfortunate. I was looking hoping that this would be the final move of the day towards Asia highs, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get that move. Regardless, this day was kind of an L because I did fucking take a loss on accident. But it's okay, we move. I'm gonna leak my account balance. I'm hoping I don't know if that's gonna fuck me over, but it's my account balance. Um, Holy fucking L. We're looking to pass this funded and hopefully get a payout. But we're $1,200 in drawdown now. Doesn't look too good for me. Regardless, we're gonna keep pushing. Tomorrow's a new day. I don't know if I'm gonna upload a backtesting video today. I don't know if I'm gonna even have time to do backtesting today, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the trading um analysis or the analysis of the day. Okay, 7.